me how I got my neck. So don't let the hat fool you. I live in South Florida. And in South Florida, there's just not a lot of Asian options when it comes to eateries. So my wife, she's trying. She's just shopping at Costco and she found some beef bulgogi. It's frozen bowls. Now, there's not a lot of Korean barbecue places in South Florida. There are, but they're just far and few. So, we're gonna try it today. Towards the box, beef bulgogi rice bowl. Thinly sliced bulgogi beef marinated in a sweet and savory sauce with glass noodles, carrots, mushrooms, over rice, garnished with eggs. Garnished with egg. Frozen bowl. Oh, and this is what it is. Bam. Instructions on the front. Let's give this a shot. Pierce film once with a fork. Maybe I should use the side that doesn't have. Boom! So does it want 4 holes, or does it like, okay, once you pierce it, that's good, right? Like, does it want 4 holes? Yeah. It smells kind of like bulgogi. Not a bulgogi connoisseur, but yeah, let's go ahead and... Okay. So... Place the rice bowl in the center of a microwave for 3.5 minutes. Yeah, let's not show you everything that's in there, but yeah. It's gonna be 3 minutes of me just standing in front of this camera. Yep. Korean barbecue. It's gotta be awesome. Oh, if you live in South Florida, do you guys know any good Korean barbecue places? And if you're Korean and watching this, what are your opinions on frozen Korean food? One minute, stand, done. Done. Gently peel film off bowl and stir evenly. It's like, how do you stir evenly? What does that mean? Oh, there's what it looks like. Oh, it smells very bulgogi-y. Well, here's to not having Korean food. I don't know if that makes sense. It doesn't. But it's not bad. It's better than most microwavable food. The texture is definitely microwavable food. It's not bad. I'll definitely eat this again. If I needed some food in a pinch and I forgot to, I didn't cook, or it's just one of those days where it's like, you forgot to eat. It's not bad. In a pinch, it works. I'm not very good at using chopsticks. Was I supposed to use chopsticks? That'll do, donkey. That'll do. That'll do. Say hi, Wally. Say hi. Say hi. Wally. That failed. And for those of you who know how to get to the bottom, right? How are you supposed to eat that? Like, I'm not very good with chopsticks. What's that? On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a not bad. I really need some kimchi right now.